Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to collect fresh sprout fast to support your team in the Beaver Cup build challenge in Heartopia. So in this latest update, we have a brand new event that called the Beaver Cup build challenge, and in here you can team up with your friends to build houses together, and then next you can just showcase your creations and potentially earn rewards at the end of the event. And right now, the event is still in phase 1, which is team formations, but it's not just about creating or joining a team. You should also start preparing your resources early, especially fresh sprout. Fresh sprout is a key currency that helps boost your team progress, like this. Like this, you can see it. And the good news is it's very easy to get. The main way to collect it is by completing the resident request. Like this, you can get the fresh sprout on here. And for every single quest you complete, you will get 100 fresh sprout. And since there are multiple daily quests available, you can earn up to 500 fresh sprout every day just by finishing them all. And on top of that, don't forget your weekly requests over here. Once you complete them, you will get an extra 500 fresh sprout, which is a huge bonus and will really help your team stay ahead. So make sure you stay consistent, log in daily, and then complete all your quests to maximize your fresh sprout income. And that way, your team will be fully prepared as the event progresses. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!